So we are doing a PS2 disc swap trick to play burned games. And I already got my stuff took apart. If you can't get that far, you probably shouldn't be doing it. Screwdriver. So there are 3 things you need to modify nonetheless. Oh shit, that thing pulled right out. So right here's one little switch. A little wax of mine. I don't have a hot glue stick, so I'm trying something a little different here. Cigarette cellophane and the pencil iron. It's not quite doing. Well, that's not working out as good as I wanted it to. I'll tell you that right now. Magnificently, the switch keeps popping up. Alright, so hopefully that worked. We'll be finding out soon enough. Okay, so another thing you want to remove is this little stop. There's a stop piece here. It's got one little screw on the back, a little spring. Take it off, throw it aside, do what you want. And the other switch would be here, or here's that little piece. Knock it on the floor. Okay. So this is the power switch. It lays right here. And what I did, I added this little switch. And then, well, I was trying to find a place to put it. I found a place to put it. Okay. It'll fit right in there. You just got to shave a little bit off of this piece for the whole eject piece. I don't know if you can see it moving or not, but there it is. So now we got to kind of glue this in place too. Okay, hopefully that will work. Now it's hooked right into the eject button, so a little tricky, put it back together and screw it back in. Back ain't quite in. Watch your hand. Okay, now we're going to plug it in. Okay, now to do the actual disc swap, you're going to turn on your machine. You're going to go into this menu. Just a regular old browse. Okay, so I'm just going to show this. And with our handy dandy button here, if everything works, push it in. Okay, I gotta get the screws in apparently. Alrighty, so you do that. Grab that. Get your burnt disc. Go ahead and press X, and now you can close the lid. Let go of the eject button. And there it goes. That is how you do a PS2 disc swap trick. And this is my newly modded little PS2. And everything works great. Just a cool little way to mod it out with that little switch like that. Being a little hard to press, but and there she goes. Look at that. Pretty cool. And there it stops. Alright, that's that.